Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines with little Penny the piggy that she can clap for us. Knock knock knock, it's time to look at this one, issue 113 for the month of October 2014. I love this. We've got a character, a proper character as well, full of character. What I like is the colours. Yellow and purple. I would never have thought to put those colours together. But it's got like a sort of tasty flavour to it. I feel like I could actually eat those. It almost feels like she's made of sweets or something. So last week we looked at that. This one. Look at that. Look how different the covers are. This is why I love ImagineFX. Like one issue you can have loads of sort of cartoony things. Another one you might have realistic stuff. My favourite cover so far though is this one, issue 108. Is this one, I've got, I don't know. See, this is what I'm saying. This year, 2014, it's been very hard to pick my favourite covers because they've all been amazing for different reasons. Like the last one had this texture effect on it, which I thought made it really cool and unique. This one is oozing emotion and sort of just a vibe to it. I'm not sure. I think this one's still my favourite though because I love the bond between these two characters. But I've got to say this is right up there as one of my favourites because it's such a cool character. And it's raining paint, so we're in for a fun one here, I think. Little Penny the piggy's with us. She's cool, isn't she? She's going to let us into the... Look at the size of her nose, look. Little nosy. Boing! Inside we go, and we've got our friend Claire, who's going to help us. Chris Oatley. Chris Oatley's in this one. I used to listen to his podcast. He used to do some cool podcast. I don't know if he's still doing it. But what do I think about this? I've actually sketched up that image there. I got that in my sketchbook. There's not as much characters in the intro as I thought. I like that. This is the videos. We don't look at the videos anymore, but this is what we would have got. FX Pose. I like that. I don't normally like male robotic sci-fi stuff, but I like that. You can feel how sort of strong he is. I think he's quite friendly though. He's a little friendly guy. We've got like a natural beast. Oh, cool. Look at the power of that lady. That is cool, isn't it? I like how half the image is blue, the other half's like yellow as well. I like that. Look at him, look. Tiny little guy. Tiny little person. They're so interested in their battle, I don't think they're going to even notice that. Oh, yeah. Look at her, look. Friendly little robot as well. Brilliant artwork. I like it when you don't see the faces. It's a bit sort of mystical. But you do wonder whether they're not drawing faces because they're not very good at it. That's always a thing, isn't it? Are you doing it for the emotion of not seeing the face? Or are you doing it because you're scared to draw faces? Method in their madness. That's cool. School of thought. Look at these little guys, look. Little polar bear things. Win a copy of Procreate. Yay! Nick Keller's art studio space. I thought he had PS1 games there. CDs though. Yeah, another cool art space. Feels a bit cold though. It feels like he needs something in there to warm it up a bit. His little jacket there, look. Little business suit. Love that. So, I remember that Star Wars cover. 2011 that was from. Dying. I'll tell you what, when we get to the last video of this year, Artist Q&A, it's going to be very hard to put the covers in order. Like I said, they've all been amazing. Oh yeah. Fun shapes. Look, can you give me advice on scanning a pencil sketch into Photoshop? That'd be interesting to read. Pop. Little outlet. There's probably a little creature under there. Moonbot Studios. Oh, that seems like a fun place. Do you reckon they're happy though? Do you reckon these people are happy working in their studio? Or do you think they're pretending to be happy? Not sure. I'd like to be in nature, I would. Oh yeah. How to Train Your Dragon 2 sketchbook. I've sketched that before as well. Oh weird, it tells you next month's sketchbook. Like this one, like this one, like this one. So it should be quite... Yay. But that's interesting as well. Trying out different colours. I've got to say, I think they picked the best colour combination. It's such a fun vibe. How to render characters. Yeah. Oh, design is set for animation. Look at that, look. Look at a little nose. Looks like a little teddy bear or something. I like that. Yeah, look, even in the look, I think it originally started out as a teddy bear. See, it must have done. Started out as a teddy bear and they turned it into a human. But they kept the cool 15 ways to survive your dream job in animation. Survive. Nobody wants to survive. We want to live and thrive. Seen him before. This would be a good one for their podcast. Dynamic lighting in Photoshop. Pretty in pink. That's beautiful, isn't it? Foliage. What a lovely colour set that is. Look at it. Oh yeah. New art discoveries. Like the universe, look. So by the looks of it, we're going to have a very funky cover next week. This is our reviews. Lots of pens. They don't really do that anymore, do they? I think what happened was Apple Pencil was so good that everybody else just gave up. The Art of Loic Zimmerman. Dark Shepherd. Mass Effect. Is that Mass Effect? Still got the sexy paper. Fantasy Illustrator. Cool. Look how cool all of this is. Creative Singapore. Nice. What a cool outfit. Look at those heels there. How sexy are high heels? The shape of them is brilliant. Painting armory realistically. Armory. Armour. Take off your armour and you could look like that. Rendering form in colour. What I like about this one is how she's sort of blending into the background. Because I actually sketched this myself. And what I did was I made that whole thing there one shape. I remember sketching that years ago. And that's it, look. First impression. Brian Frod. There he is. Little Brian Frod. Cool. Boing. And that was that. Loved this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, there wasn't enough characters in it though. Such a shame, isn't it? I would have liked the whole thing to be full of characters like this, but I think this character here has probably made this one worth it. Hope you enjoyed that. Next week we're looking at this one. Oh, that's interesting. Very impactful. Looks like an elf as well. Again, another really cool cover. So I hope you come back for this one. That'll be next week. Purple and pink. I've always felt that goes really nicely together. Little Penny enjoyed this one. I hope you did, and I'll see you later for another one.